Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video, we are doing a summer soft glam look, which is honestly this look right here. Super natural, not much product on it for those super hot days. So if you guys want to know how to get this look and what products I used, go ahead and keep watching my video. Alright, to start off, for this soft glam, we are going to be doing our skincare because that's what we're focusing on today for the soft glam. So first I'm going to go in with Serumizer Eye, and I just love this. It hydrates my eyes, it lightens up any of my dark circles that I have. This entire MAC skincare line is just truly amazing. And now for serum, I'm gonna go in with the Hyper Real Serumizer. I have this little trial sample. I ordered more. It's supposed to be on the way, but there is officially nothing in there anymore, which I am so sad about. Now for my moisturizer, I'm going in with the Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. We're just applying a little bit over our skin. We need to be nice and moisturized and hydrated. We are going to set our skin with some Fix Plus spray. I'm going to clip my hair up just because so it's out of the way for now. Our foundation today, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Radiant foundation. This is in the color NC38. And I'm just going to apply a little bit, not a lot. I am going to apply the Everywhere Pen by MAC in the color NW30. This I'm just going to apply a little bit. I have it in a little travel sample because I was testing it out to see if I like it or not, and I actually do really like it. So I'm going to apply that in areas where I kind of have some blue, so kind of right here around my under eyes. We're tapping a little bit in. Now the reason that I wanted to test this out was because the NW is a warm undertone, so this cancels out the blue that I have on my under eyes. So I like to apply that right there, not a lot, and then around here by my mouth. And then if you see this, like my hyperpigmentation, I cover those up too. It looks a little crazy, but because we are going to put foundation over it and like our actual color, it's all going to look normal. I'm just going to apply a little bit of foundation, and then in those areas where we applied it, we're doing a tapping motion. Now I'm going to go in with the Sephora Make No Mistake Stick Foundation in the color Walnut. I'm using this as a bronzer, so I'm just going to apply that over here by my cheekbones and my temples to bronze our areas up. For a soft glow summer look, because we want to keep that glow, I am going to be using mostly all liquid or cream products because we don't want to look too matte. The only areas I want to keep matte is my T-zone. We are going to be using, for the most part, all cream products. Now with your bronzer, depending on if you have a stick or whatnot or cream, I'm just going to apply it on my outer corners of my eyes, and with the same brush just blend it out. Nothing too crazy. Originally I would use MAC Studio Radiant for my concealer and to highlight, but this concealer is my winter concealer, so it's way too light, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Everywhere Pen in the color NC35. It's the difference between this and that is Radiant, this is matte, which is fine, but I would rather have the Radiant one just for that summer glow. This Everywhere Pen, I use it in the winter time as my foundation because I am a lighter shade. But now in the summer, I use it as concealer because that's like my concealer shade. We are just going to do tapping motions under the eye so we don't remove what we did add. To get that summer glow, I'm going to be using the Strobe Dewy Liquid Blushes in the color Ice Gleam and Starlight. So Ice Gleam is a light pink. I'm going to do 2 dots of that and 1 dot of Starlight, which is a lighter pink. And I want that to mix in as like my blush and highlight together. So we are just going to grab that and mix it together. And you're going to already see, like from the camera I can see it, but you instantly get that highlight and glow, which I absolutely love. And do the same on the other side. 1, 2. Grab Starlight. I like how this looks, but I think we need a little bit more color in our blush. I am gonna grab the same thing, Serum Dewy liquid blush, but in the color Unsweetened. We're just gonna keep that on our cheeks, like on the apples of our cheeks, just to get some color. And we can add some of the extraness on top of our lids. Kind of just set our face. I'm gonna grab the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NC20. And I'm just applying that on my chin, on my forehead, under my eyes, just like that. Another thing of powder, I am going to go in with the Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter by MAC in the color Whisper of Guilt. We're going to add a little bit and just dab some on. And we can apply that to the inner corners of our eyes to give it some glow. Our face is pretty much set. All that's left to do is our brows real quick. For my brows, I'm using the Tap Brow Microblading Pen in the color Dark Brown. This one actually was sent to me a while ago by a company on TikTok Shop. At first, I didn't like it because when you see this, I'm just applying it. It has already a brush into it. It goes on really harsh. You can tell that, you know, I put some product on and it looks unnatural. But I'm gonna grab my brow brush and blend it all out. There we go. Now I love it. Now there's like nothing there and there's something there and it looks natural and it stays all day. Alright, so we are gonna repeat the same on the other side. We're gonna work on our lashes, and you can add fake lashes, but for my summer usual like day-to-day, I don't know, today I'm feeling like not wearing lashes. I've been wearing lashes every day, so I kind of just want to do a normal summer glow where I can use my normal lashes. They are not long, but I make do with what I have. I am going to be using this MAC Half Lash Curler. This was a game changer for my lashes, for everyone's lashes. I feel like it really curls your lashes better than, you know, a full lash curler. Unless you guys have one that I don't know about that works great, but so far this has been the only one that's made a difference in my short lash life. Not sure if you guys can see anything. I don't have much to show, but they are there. If you guys can see my eyes, maybe you can tell once I put some freaking mascara on. For mascara, I am going in with 2 different mascaras. I'm going in with the MAC Waterproof Mascara, and then I'm going to go in with the MAC Elevated Mascara. And if I get any sort of clumping because my lashes are short, I am using the Maybelline Firework Waterproof Mascara. This one, I like the brush on it because the wand is super skinny, so it really gets in there to separate the hairs. It does have a nice wand. This one just, it's great for long lashes. I don't have long lashes. I like the brush on that one. It works okay, like waterproof wise. I like the waterproof formula in this. I like the brush on that. And then I like how this one you can put on top to get your lashes all wispy. I know I have mascara on my eyelid. We're gonna let that dry and I'm gonna show you a little hack to take it off. With short lashes, there's just no way I can't do it unless I put like something over it, which is just too much work. I mean, you can see a difference. Maybe I'm delusional. I'm going to repeat the same on the other eye, and then I'll be back to show you how I take the black off, and then we'll be almost done with the look. So, completed both eyes. Now I'm just going to go on my lips. I'm going to give it some time to dry on my skin. For today's lip combo, I'm going to be going in with Spice Lip Liner, and then the Candid Glow Play Lip Balm. So we're still keeping it very natural. Now to take this mascara off, I'm going to go in with the brush that I use to blend my brows out. We're just going to grab a little spoolie and scrape this off. There we go. And now it is officially off. It is close to my lash line. Some product does get removed, so we're just going to add a little bit more to the edges, just to build up that product again. Do the same on this side. to add a little bit of extra color, I'm going to go in with the Ulta Beauty Cream Eyeshadow and Liner in the color Naked Truth. I'm just going to apply that into the inner corners of my eyes, just to enhance my eyes a little bit and to open them up. And now, so it can last all day, we're going to add the Max Fix Plus Stay Over Spray and spray. This is my Summer Soft Makeup Glam. Super soft and glowy. Honestly, I do this every day for summer. And for winter, sometimes the colors do change. It's nothing too heavy where you feel like you have a lot of product on your face. It's not drying. You still have that glow, the skincare going. You got lip balm on, but it looks like lipstick. And you have lashes. And to enhance some of your features, we added a shadow stick. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys would add or change anything, or if you guys have any products that you would want to recommend to add to my Summer Soft Glam makeup. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos.